So last lecture we looked into the what do you call the introduction about the Merrick differential plan. Okay, let us see the sums based on it. So let me just preview it. This was the percentage efficiency, and this is the piece rate calculation. So as per Merrick, you don't have to penalize or you don't have to punish any worker, even if he is inefficient. You have to pay him the minimum piece rate that you have decided. Okay, that is NPR. And for the second category, it is 110% of the NPR. And for the highly skilled workers, it is 120% of the NPR. Okay. So, yeah. This question, if you for the merit plan. Yeah, yeah. Standard production per hour is 6 units. Okay, so this will help me to calculate what standard output. Okay, what we did in Taylor, we have to practice the same in Merrick, but Merrick may we will go one step ahead. We will have to calculate the percentage efficiency also. Okay, yeah. NTR is given to you 2.40, 2 rupees 40 paisa, and with this information, I will calculate what? I will calculate my NPR. Okay, next, during an 8-hour day, output of the worker N is 32 and A is 42 and B is 55. So there are 3 workers N, A and B. Okay, तो ये जो दिया हुआ है ये number of units produced by workers है. So this is my actual output. Okay, yeah. Calculate wages of all the 3 workers under the Merrick plan. ठीक है, okay, start. First is what you are going to do. You are going to calculate standard output तो चाहिए ही हमको और फिर हमें उसे compare करना है actual output से and then we have to calculate the percentage efficiency. So the most important part is this. हमें ये calculate करना है कि कौन सा worker कौन सी category में है. Percentage efficiency is which of the percentage efficiency is applicable to the worker. So this is very important. We have to calculate this part. Okay. So this is what you are going to calculate later. But तो उससे पहले हम निकालेंगे SO standard output. ठीक है? तो 1 hour में 6 units you are making. So 8 घंटे में कितना बनाओगे? Cross multiply. 8 6 are 48. Okay. Clear? Yeah. Just acknowledge it in the chat box. 48 का लॉजिक समझा. So all the 4 workers के लिए standard output कितना है? 48. हाँ, अब हम compare करेंगे कि कौन कितना efficient है, what percentage efficiency the 4 laborers are carrying. Okay, fine. Then calculate NPR also. That is also important, right? Yeah. So NPR के लिए तो generally I use this ratio only. You have been seeing me whenever I do sums. Yeah. This is I find easy. Unit, hour, unit and rupees. ठीक है? So 1 घंटे में कितना यूनिट्स बनाते हो आप? 6 यूनिट. और आपको NTR कितना दिया है? 1 घंटे का कितना पे कर रहे हो? How much you are paying for 1 hour? You are paying 2 rupees 40 paise for 1 hour. So how much you will pay for 1 piece? NPR. Okay? Yeah. So 2.4 divided by 6. So 40 paisa is my answer. Is this clear? Working note number 2 is also clear to everyone? So we calculated the SO, that is the standard output. We calculated the NPR, normal piece rate, 40 paisa per unit. Okay? Yeah. Noted? Just acknowledged in the chat box. 1 and 2 noted? Okay, fine. Now, what are you going to calculate? Percentage efficiency. Okay? Yeah. Let's see who is more efficient. Like this. Percentage efficiency table banao. Yeah. We just got standard output from working note number 1. Yeah. Actual output to diya hua hai 32, 42 and 55. So percentage efficiency, yes, this is the formula. Actual output divided by standard output into 100. Okay, you have to calculate the percentage efficiency. The actual output, I repeat, divided by standard output into 100. Okay, so 32 divided by 48 into 100. So 66.6666%. तो ये तो फर्स्ट रेंज में फॉल होता है लेस देन 83 वाला बराबर. हाँ. तो याद है ना फर्स्ट रेंज वाले को कितना पे करना है ओनली एनपीआर वी जस्ट कैलकुलेटेड 40 पैसा. ओके कमिंग टू द सेकेंड वन 42 डिवाइड बाय 48 into 100 87.50%. So he falls in which category? Second range. Greater than equal to 83 but less yeah. And what is that? Just a minute. Yeah, I will write up to 100. Up to 100 or last is above 100. Okay, yeah. So second range के लिए what is the percentage? 110% of NPR. Okay, so 0.4 40 पैसे का 110% कितना होता है 44 पैसा. So that's what I got my answer 44 paisa. Okay, then last category 55 divided by 48 into 100. So this is 114.58%. That means he falls in the third range, greater than 100 वाला ये वाला greater than 100 वाला range. Okay, तो उसको कितना पे करना है as per merit 120% of NPR. So 40 पैसे का 120% of NPR comes to how much? I will pay him 48 paisa per unit. Is this clear? Clear? The table is clear. Percentage efficiency, then check the range and then based on that the NPR calculation. Okay? Okay, note it down. Fine. So अगर आप table बनाओगे तो things will be very clear and very easy for you. Because इसके बाद आपको formula लगाना है ना. Almost more than half formula तो मैंने use कर ही लिया है NPR calculate करके. अभी सिर्फ क्या करना है units produced multiplied with the applied rate. Okay? So ये table बहुत important है. It is very similar to Taylor, obviously, but we are going one step ahead. That is, we are calculating the percentage efficiency. Okay? So I hope everybody has noted down this. Far is noted. Now let us calculate the wages. Simple. Okay, units produced into NPR, or you can even call it units produced into into applied NPR. ओके ये भी चलेगा ये भी लिखोगे तो अप्लाइड एनपीआर मतलब एक के लिए 0.4 का एप्लीकेशन है दूसरे के लिए 0.44 है तीसरे के लिए 0.48 है तो यू कैन इवन यूज दिस टर्मिनोलॉजी यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस इनटू अप्लाइड एनपीआर ओके क्लियर अबाउट दिस आल्सो या 0.48 into 55 units तो 26.4 0.44 into सबके लिए डिफरेंशियल रेट से देखा द मीनिंग ऑफ डिफरेंशियल 18 रुपीज 48 पैसा and 0.4 into 32. So 12 rupees 8 paisa. Oh, sorry, 80 paisa. Okay. Clear about this as well? So let us move on to next question. Yeah. This question number 2. So calculate earnings of 3 workers A, B, and C under merit plan. Okay. So for standard production, wow, nice. Standard production is given, so we don't have to calculate SO. Okay. Yeah. 120 units. Production in units दिया है. So this is my actual output. ये actual output दिया है आपको question में ये. और ये रहा standard output. Nice. अभी तक हमने जितने sums के standard output they don't give only. Yeah. Here it's given 90, 100 and 130. Ordinary piece rate मतलब NPR. Okay. So actually comparatively to the first sum, this sum is easier because you don't have to calculate anything. Your SO is there with you, NPR is also there with you. Okay. How much? 10 paisa. So अब मैं क्या करूँगी? Obviously directly efficiency table बनाऊँगी. Correct? Yeah. So calculate the efficiency table. Prepare this. तीनों के लिए 120, 120, 120. Yeah. So this is given in the question, and this part is also given in the question. Percentage efficiency, actual output divided by standard output into 100. Okay, so 90 divided by 120 into 100. So that makes it to 75%, and then 100 divided by 120 into 100. So that makes it to 83.33%, and 130 divided by 120 into 100%. That makes it to 108.333%. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट क्या है? रेंज देखेंगे हम. ओके, so this one falls in the first range, less than 83%. ये वाला he falls in the second range. Okay, 83 to 100 वाला जो second range है, और ये last वाला तो falls in the third range, above 100 वाला. Okay, so I hope the range part is clear to everyone. Yeah. उसके हिसाब से पीस रेट आप कैसे दोगे? मेरिट तो बोलता है कि भाई आप इनएफिशिएंट हो तो भी आपको पूरा का पूरा एनपीआर तो मिलेगा. ये देखो, पूरा 10 पैसा मिलेगा. और अगर आप सेकेंड रेंज में आते हो तो आपको 110% ऑफ एनपीआर मिलेगा. तो 0.1 10 पैसे का 110% कितना होता है? 11 पैसा. 0.1 बनता है. या एंड नेक्स्ट 10 पैसे का 120% कितना होता है? 12 पैसा. ओके, table is clear? Table is clear to everyone? Yeah. Okay. ठीक है. Is it easy? अभी क्या? Just apply the formula. Simple. Units produced multiplied by the applied NPR. Yeah. I'm writing here to be more specific. वरना आप लोग confuse हो जाओगे. आप लोग बोलोगे अरे मैम ने इधर NPR लिखा है. NPR तो 10 पैसा है. तो इसलिए if you use this, so you will get a clarity कि what is applied NPR. What is applied NPR? ये जो मैंने अभी calculate किया. ठीक है. Applied means applied as per the formula. Yeah, not as per me. Okay, as per the formula. So 12 paisa into 130 units that he has made to 15 rupees 60 paisa. 11 paisa multiplied with 100 units that B has made, so that makes it to 11 rupees. And 10 paisa into 75 units that A has made, that makes it to 7 rupees 50 paisa. Clear? So let us move on to the third question. Yeah, this one. Okay. Calculate earnings of the worker X and Y under merit plan. NPR, they have said up to 83% of high task output, that is percentage efficiency. It will be how much? 10 rupees per unit. Okay? And high task rate 40 units per week. Okay. तो पूरे हफ्ते में आपने कितने यूनिट्स बनाए हैं? 40 यूनिट्स. ठीक है. तो बनाने चाहिए थे, सॉरी, आपको बनाने थे एलिमेंट्री से. सो दिस इज योर स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट. ओके. या. एंड आउटपुट ऑफ वर्कर्स पर वीक, और वर्कर्स ने कितने बनाए, तो दिस इज देयर एक्चुअल आउटपुट. So got to understand the difference between standard and actual output in the sum. Yeah. ये आपका एनपीआर है, 10 रुपीज पर यूनिट. ठीक है. एनपीआर दिया हुआ है, स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट दिया हुआ है, एक्चुअल आउटपुट दिया हुआ है. तो जस्ट यू हैव टू मेक द एफिशिएंसी टेबल. ओके. या. So this is very easy. 32 divide by 40 into 100. So 80% efficiency. So he will fall in the first range, less than 83 वाला. एंड इसके लिए उसको सिर्फ हम क्या देंगे, एनपीआर पे करेंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज 42 डिवाइड बाय 40 into 100. So that makes it to 105% efficiency. So he falls in the last range, that is above 100 wala. So how much he will be paid? He will be rewarded with 120% of NPR. So 10 रुपए का 120% makes it to 12 रुपया हम उसको देंगे for every piece. Okay? Clear? Then we will just calculate the total wages. Right? Yeah. So 12 rupees into how many units he made? 42. So he will be paid 504 rupees as total wages. And 32 rupees into 10 rupees, 32 output, that is the actual quantity multiplied with the rate. So it makes it to 320. Okay. Yeah. So these are some quick application based sums. Take you to this one. Fourth one. Calculate the earnings of workers A, B, and C. Here, A, B, and C under the piece rate. They want you to calculate as per straight piece rate and as per merit. You have to use both the formulas. Okay. Yeah. Straight piece rate and merit. NTR is given. So NTR से मुझे मिलेगा NPR. Yeah. Standard time per unit is 1 minute. एक यूनिट बनाने को आपको लगता है 1 मिनट. ठीक है. भूलना मत. एक यूनिट बनाने को आपको लगता है 1 मिनट. आउटपुट इज, तो ये रहा मेरा एक्चुअल आउटपुट. ओके. तो सम में ये पुराने जैसा हो गया. स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट नहीं है, एनपीआर नहीं है, ये दो चीज हमको फाइंड करनी है. ओके. या. So let us first go to the working note. Yeah. First calculate the actual output. Standard output, sorry, not actual, standard. Standard output, yes. So याद रखना 1 मिनट में आप कितने यूनिट्स बनाते हो. ये 1 मिनट को मैंने कन्वर्ट किया. ओके. 1 मिनट को मैंने आवर्स में कन्वर्ट किया. कैसे? 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 60. ओके. 1 minute divided by 60. तो 0.016666 recurring है. ठीक है. या. Fine. So 8 divided by 0.01666666 go like this over the calci. So it comes to 480 units. Okay. And then calculate your NPR. Yeah. Okay. So first I will be using this ratio. Okay. ये 3 ratios है जिसमें से मुझे ये नहीं मालूम है यूनिट्स एक घंटे में कितना. So this I will get from this ratio. So in 8 hours I made 480 units. So for in 1 hour how much I will make? How much I will make? Divide 480 divide by 8 is how much? 60. So I will make 60 units in 1 hour. So I've taken that here. In 1 hour, I'm making 60 units. And for 1 hour, I'm paying 5 rupees 40 paisa. So for 1 unit, how much? Cross multiply. 5.40 divided by 60. So it gives me 9 paisa. Okay. So that comes to 9 paisa. Got this calculation? Everyone understood this calculation? Is this calculation clear? Okay. So I have been telling you कि ये जो 3 रेशियो है कभी कभी इसका एक सिंक मिसिंग रहता है. So that sink is here that I have calculated. 1 hour में how many units you are making? Okay. So 1 hour में I am making 60 units. For 1 hour I am paying 5 rupees 40 paisa. That means for 60 units I am paying 5 rupees 40 paisa. So for 1 unit how much I will pay? So I will get my NPR 9 paisa. Okay. And then now, yeah, do this percentage efficiency. Yeah, 390 divided by 480 into 100. 81.25. So you come in the first range, less than 83 wala. Then 450 divided by 480 into 100. 93.75. So you come in the second range, 83 to 100 wala. Then 600 divided by 480 into 100. So you fall in the third range, that is above 100. Okay. So here you will get in the first case only NPR. So that is 9 paisa. In the third case, you will get 110% of NPR. So 9 पैसे का 110% कितना होता है 0.099 पैसा. ठीक है. एंड देन 9 पैसे का 120% कितना होता है 0.108 paisa. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to make you understand, right? So yeah, come to the calculation of this, the units per, I mean the total earnings that you will calculate. Yeah. So total earnings कितना हो जाएगा into applied rate, right? ये रहा. Units produced into applied rate. Applied rate या applied NPR भी लिख सकते हो. Logic आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. That is very important. Okay. Multiply this with 600 units he has produced. So 64 rupees 80 paisa. 0.099 into 450 units. So 44.55 paisa. And 0.09 into 390 units made. So 35 rupees 10 paisa. Okay. Is this clear? Is it clear to everyone? Merrick differential plan. Is it clear to everyone? Understood? उसके features, उसका जो उधर लिखा था कि the inefficient people are not penalized, they are not punished in this method. I hope you all have understood now the meaning of that. Right? Yeah. And how percentage efficiency is calculated. It is similar to Taylor, but slight difference that one step ahead we go and calculate the percentage efficiency of the worker. And based on that, the differential piece rates are applied. Okay. So next lecture, I will continue with Gantt task bonus plan. Okay. Yeah. And then we will take up certain variety of sums where Gantt task and Merrick and Taylor, all three are there, or either of the two are there in combination. Okay. So combination sums.